In this video, we're going to be talking about the order of operations. The rules of which calculation comes first in an expression are called the order of operations, which you might have heard called PEMDAS. So how we remember it is PEMDAS. Parentheses or grouping symbols go first. So parentheses look like this. You might also see brackets or braces. Exponents come second. Exponents. So this is 1, this is 2, and then 3. This is important to know. In PEMDAS, it's MD for multiplication and division, but it doesn't happen in that order. It's either multiplication or division, whichever comes first from left to right. And then step 4 is addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. So let's use these rules here to evaluate each expression. So on number 1, we have -6 minus -2 plus 4. So I'm going to follow these order of operations right here. Your first step is to look for parentheses. I have parentheses, so I'm going to do that first. So I'm going to bring down my -6 and my minus sign. And I'm going to do -2 plus 4. -2 plus 4 is 2. So now I just have -6 minus 2. -6 minus 2 is -8. The great thing nowadays is that most calculators will do the order of operations for you. So I'm going to pull up Desmos, and let me just go ahead and clear this out. So we have -6 minus -2 plus 4. Is that what I had? And you'll see that we got -8, which was what our answer was. So if you type it in correctly with your parentheses and everything, your calculator should be able to help you do this. Let's look at number 2. On number 2, I have 2 times -3 squared minus 6. The order of operations tells me to do parentheses first. So I'm going to do 2 times -3. 2 times -3 is -6 squared minus 6. So now my order of operations tell me to do exponents second. So -6 squared is 36. The only thing I have left to do is subtraction. 36 minus 6 is 30. Again, if you wanted to check your work, I would go ahead and pull up Desmos. And so here we had 2 times -3 squared minus 6. And you'll see that our answer was correct. We do get 30. On number 3, order of operations tell us to do parentheses first. I don't have any parentheses here. They tell us to do exponents second. I don't have any exponents here. Next, we do multiplication or division, whichever comes first from left to right. I have division. Division comes before the multiplication. You do whatever comes first from left to right when it comes to multiplying or dividing. So my first step is going to be to do 40 divided by 20, which gives me 2. And then I have to do multiplication before I do subtraction. So now I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So our answer here is 5. On number 4, there are no parentheses and there are no exponents. I do have multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. And then the only thing I have left to do is add 8 plus 12 is 20.